So, according to your knowledge, as of now, you have some knowledge about Salesforce, right? So, what is mean by sharing rule? So, go to setup and here just type sharing settings and click on sharing settings. Then we'll be getting all this information. Same thing when we can see this kind of page.
This is the same with OWD.
Yes, exactly. So here yesterday we have created few different sharing rules. They are we'll go with employees list.
Teacher one and something like that.
It's employees list, and we gave private, and we gave rule like if country name is equals to UK, then it has to share with CO. Again, I'll show it to you how it will be there. Okay. So here we can give sharing rule name and description. We can give training purpose, and based on record owner also will be the same. I mean, who is going to create the record, we have to select here, and to whom we have to share the record, we'll select here. And yesterday we have seen criteria based. In real time scenarios, maximum we can go with criteria based sharing rules in real time scenarios. Okay, so here we gave country name as UK, and here I gave roles as a CEO. Okay, or else roles as you can give.
If we select the public groups, means then everyone can see that. Does that mean?
Oh, no, no, not like that. Public group concept. After completion of this session, we'll be entering into public group. We'll do that.
Okay.
We'll check that one also.
Okay.
Okay, and not only CEO, you can select any person. Okay, and currently I have shared only CO, and you can give the access only read only or read and write. If you share this any record through sharing rule, they won't be having access of delete. Okay, so that is the
Yes.
reason we are doing the sharing rule. We are sharing the records through sharing rule. Okay, so yesterday we have done employees list and pulsar bike and teachers, right? Teachers record. Okay, let me check teachers record. Yes, it's a private, and we gave sharing rule as subject name equals to maths, then it has to share to CEO role. And here we are not sharing the record to the person. Got it? We are sharing to the position.
Role. Role. Yeah.
Okay, so here, for example, if I want generally coming to profile or OWD, etc., etc., we can able to share the record or object to the concerned person, user. In case if that user left the company, it won't be available, right? But if you give to role, if you give this access to role, instead of that person, some other person will come to the come and join in that role, right? He'll be getting the records. Got it? What I'm saying?
No. Can you explain it again?
Okay, 1 minute. So here, user A, user A, he want to share record to User A, he want to share the record to user B. This is user to user. In case if user B resigned the job and he left the out of the organization, he'll be getting the records or not. If
User B will?
he resigned the job and he left the organization.
Yeah.
So once he left the organization, all his email IDs, usernames, etc., will be deactivated, right?
Right.
Then will he able to get the records? No, right?
He will not able to get the
Yes,
records, but
exactly. So, but here instead of users, just I'm giving roles. Okay, clear roles. So in CEO, assistant CEO role, there is a person. Okay, so in CEO, assistant CEO question, person name is ABC, and sorry, assistant CEO question, have ABC having assistant CEO question, and XYZ having CEO question. Okay, till here you are understood, right?
yes.
Okay. Now I made one sharing rule that whichever assistant CEO, I'm here we are not saying ABC to XYZ. Assistant CEO,
Hmm.
whichever records created by assistant CEO, it has to be shared to CEO. Okay. So after six
Hmm.
months, this XYZ user he left the organization
Hmm.
and some other person has joined. Some other person joined. He's So his name is ASDF. Just think like that. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
will he get the records from us and CEO? Yes,
Yes.
he will be because though
Yes.
he is not getting any access from some other management and all, but there is a sharing rule stating that whichever assistant CEO role is creating, that records should be shared to CEO role,
See.
not to the
Yeah.
user. Got it?
Yes.
That will be happen through only sharing rule. Okay.
Okay.
Now you understood, I think.
Yes,
Okay,
I did.
okay. So now we can see either this thing will be available or not. Okay. So which is it? Okay, teachers. Teachers mass should be shared to CEO. Okay, teachers. I'm going to create one record. Okay, I have saved. And one more pulsar bike, right? Okay, pulsar bike. Okay. And you may get one doubt. I gave 1,20,000, but it automatically it is coming 1,18,000. There is a trigger on this object, so that is a different subject. Okay, just see this location only. So now we'll go to users. All these three objects into private coming to OWD, and there is no relation to my username and this CEO username. Now I'm going to log in as CEO because I gave sharing rule as it has to share to CEO. Okay. And I'm going to click on login. This teachers. Dharma. Just now I have created. Yes, it is coming. Got it? It is just sharing, and there is no delete option, edit option for this.
Yeah.
And again,
Yes.
Pulsar bike. Okay, Shinde, Hyderabad. Okay, we'll check another record also. Hyderabad. That means whichever records created and location is matching with Hyderabad, those records sharing to the CEO. Got it? And yesterday it was not happen. Yesterday it was not working because for Vijaya profile we don't have access to give. Sorry, that particular profile doesn't have access of to get the records of custom objects. So that is the reason it was not happen.
Okay.
Oh shit! 1 minute. Okay, so now you understood the concepts of OWD, profile, permission set, role, sharing rule, and manual sharing. Sorry,
Manual
not manual sharing,
sharing.
but still sharing
Yeah.
rule. Now we can
Yeah.
discuss about manual sharing. So before entering the manual sharing, let me have a small discussion. Just think there is employee in one organization. Can I have any name, employee name?
Name anything. Priya.
Okay, Priya. Okay, there is employee name Priya, and she has joined in the organization of her one developer position and salary with $10,000. Okay, let it be $10,000, and salary will be $10,000. Okay, and once after joining this organization, she got the salary with only $1,000. Okay, instead of $10,000, she got only $1,000. Then what she'll do?
She'll contact HR.
Okay, so she'll report. She gave the complaint directly to CEO. Okay, now
Okay.
what CEO will do is this organization and CEO. Okay, so what CEO has done is he called HR team and finance team. Okay, so when they call two teams, HR team said HR team confirmed that yes, we gave the offer to employee Priya $10,000, $10,000. So now whose mistake it is?
Finance team didn't credited.
Okay, so finance team said we didn't even get any information about this employee. That's what he said.
Okay.
So here, if you are working in this organization, what you can do?
So I'll check the
Okay,
Priya is assigned to who,
okay,
like, who is
okay,
a reporting manager.
okay, 1 minute. So here we are discussing all the topics: OWD, profile,
Yeah.
permission set, role, sharing rule, manual sharing, everything we are discussing in this single scenario. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
finance team stating that we didn't even get any information. for this employee. Okay,
Okay.
and HR team saying that they only release the offer to this employee. So these people confirmed and these people not yet confirmed. So finally, what CEO decided is he said, okay, just contact to central team, Salesforce team.
Hmm.
Okay, and
Hmm.
now you will be into the picture. Okay,
Hmm.
now you are given to the solution to the employees.
Hmm.
This will be happen in real time scenarios, Pranjali. Okay,
Okay.
so now you are Salesforce employee. I mean Salesforce
Hmm.
support team. Okay, so they have they inform you about their issue, and now if you are into this position, what you can do here? Just think
Yeah.
there is a object called as employees.
Yeah. So first I will see that employee like Priya is there in system or not. The
Okay,
user has been created or not,
okay.
and if yes, then who is what do you get? What is his profile and link to a link with whom?
1 minute. Just come one by one. So first thing, you need to check where is this Priya record. Okay. So
Yes.
this record will be
Yes.
saved into some object. Okay. Take employee object.
Okay.
Okay. So this employee object, first what you have to see, status of OWD.
Yeah.
This object. Okay. So you can inform to finance team. Okay, sir, you don't have access of this particular object. So I'll give the access of this object. We can tell to them we have one concept called as OWD. So we
Hmm.
can share public read and write or public read only. So which one you
Yeah.
want? So
Yeah.
so then they said, okay, if it is a public read write, all people who are there in finance team, they can be accessed, right?
Right.
So that's what they'll
So
ask. So he don't want to do
yeah.
that.
Yeah. So he want the
Then what could be your next
particular
question?
person. So who is the responsible person for the credit, salary credit, and all this
No,
thing?
no, no.
So that would
You are missing my point exactly. So when you are explaining about OWD,
hmm,
finance team head, he said he don't want to show all the records of his particular object to his employees.
right.
Okay. So then what is your next step?
Then we can give him like we can tell them uh, what is
Okay,
that?
I'll give you clue.
Prof-
So now
yeah,
OWD is
profile.
completed. Oh,
OWD is not possible. Then we can check the profile.
okay. So what is the concept of profile? He's asking you. Finance team head is asking
So
you what is the concept of profile. So how will you solve my issue?
So profile, in profile, like we can whatever not possible in OWD, we can do those things from
No.
profile.
Pranjali, 1 minute, 1 minute. Actually, you already gave the answer, but
Okay.
somewhere you got confused. Confused.
Okay.
What you said first, we can share the record who are the responsible in the finance team. That's what you said, right?
Yes.
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 So what you can tell the finance team is we can create one profile, and in that profile we can add who are the responsible for their salaries.
Right.
That's what a
Okay.
profile
Yes.
quality, right? We can create one
Yes.
separate department and we can have roles and responsibilities for that profile, and we can add the users.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you gave the profile information to the finance team. They said somewhat okay, but they don't want to give all the access to the all the people who are the responsible for their salaries. I mean employee salaries. Then what is your next step?
So if profile permission sets, then
Yes.
we can check the permission sets. What all permission we can give that
Okay.
profile.
So permission set. How will you explain about permission set?
So we can tell them like if the in profile, if you don't want to, uh, I don't know how to explain. Sorry.
Okay. So, though they are in the same profile, we can give limited access to few people
Yes.
by permission
Yes.
sets. So you can remember
Limited access.
you can remember printer facts and database
Yes.
these images.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So for permission set also they haven't accepted. What they are asking is they want to get only single record. If you give permission set, they can access all the records, right? Not only Priya,
Yeah.
remaining people records also they can access. They don't want to get it. And again,
Hmm.
you will give role.
But role also not possible. Then we can
Yes.
give the
So
do
as
the
usual,
sharing.
when they haven't accept these three, role also will not accept.
No.
Okay. Coming to sharing
Then
rule, we all know sharing rule. We
yes.
will not having the access to share the record to single person.
Right.
Got it?
We can
That
share the rules.
we can share the rule to multiple people.
Department. Yeah.
For example, if you take
Profile.
any VP position, we are not
Yeah.
sure only one person is there in VP position.
Right.
There are two to three people. And
Yes.
if you
So
give
that is
a
also not
manager,
possible.
there is no only one manager. There will be different managers,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
sharing is also not possible. Then you can give this option. So we can have one manual sharing option. Okay. So now you understood concepts of all these sharing settings. OWD, profile, permission set, role, sharing rule, and manual sharing. So here, uh, employees list, we'll go to employees list, and how many records are there? Okay, 7 records are there, and this record. Okay, instead of employee list, we can go with the Pulsar bike, and here take Naveen name. So this particular record I want to share to somebody else. Okay, you can see edit, delete, clone sharing, and I'll show this one in Lightning Experience. This manual sharing option we don't have in Lightning. We'll be having only classic version. You can
Okay.
see. So whenever if you want to share the record, single record to single person, then you have to come to the classic version only.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to share the record, you can't find anything here. No option called as sharing. Details, if you go to later also, you will not be getting options. Okay. So just go back to classic and go to Pulsar bike and click on Naveen and just click on sharing. So here we have already added a few people. So I have added CEO and here it's showing read only. Got it? That particular record,
Yes.
that particular record belongs to a Hyderabad location. So that is the reason it's showing it is already
Yeah.
sharing to this person. Okay. We'll take another record. Okay. Rajesh. Rajesh also Hyderabad. Okay. Karan Sharma. Yes. Now this record related to Chennai location and I'm giving sharing option. See, sharing rule, it is not coming. Got it? There is no sharing rule for
Yes.
Chennai location. So now, for this particular record, user is Manu. And if you want to share this particular record to somebody else, just click on add. And here you can see this page. Roles, users, you can select to whom you want to share. So here I want to share to only users. Okay, if you click on users, then you'll be getting users. If you click on roles, all roles will be displayed here. Okay, So I'm clicking on users and I want to share that particular record to Rahul. I have added and I'm sharing this only in read only. Save. That's it. And now I have a small doubt. Will this when this particular user will be getting this record?
Sorry, come again.
No, this particular record, Karan Sharma, Rahul is getting this record. So when he'll be getting this record, when this person is sharing by manually, then only he's getting it. There is no
Yeah.
other rules to getting this record. Only by manual
Okay.
sharing, user to user only it is happening. That too, user to user, only one record it can be shared.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And
this,
it is only possible in uh, classic, not in lightning.
yes. Okay. So now we have a small questionnaire about sharing rule. So what is sharing rule? To share the
Share the
records based on
record
some
based on.
conditions, we use sharing rule. Okay, and sharing dynamically. There is no static. Okay,
Hmm.
and what are the different types of sharing rule we have? So owner-based sharing rule, criteria-based sharing rule. This is important in
Yeah.
sharing rule questionnaire.
Criteria, no notation.
I'm sorry.
No, no, I'm just
Yeah, okay.
reading.
And what are the different access levels in sharing rule? Only read only, or read and write. There is no delete option for this. Got it?
Yes.
And when to use sharing rule? When we want to share a record dynamically to a role or public group, then we can use sharing. That means if you want to share single record to multiple people, if you want to share record multiple people, then we'll go with sharing rule. Multiple people in the sense, in as we discussed just now in this role, we are not sure, so only single person will be available. Okay, and public group, that is our future topic. We'll discuss. And we can use sharing rules to share only selective records matching with the condition will be shared. Hence it is called as selective sharing. And
Selective.
okay, here I have one doubt.
Yeah.
While coming to sharing rule, which kind of records can be shared to the people? So 1 minute. So here just now I have created one record, Jones Hyderabad, and I have saved. Okay. Now this record will be shared to CEO, right?
Yeah, it's a criteria base.
Yes, okay. And you have seen one more scenario. This is recently I have shared. This recently I have created. And this
Hmm.
record, Naveen record, when it got created, 28th of July, right?
Yes.
But when you click on sharing, it's already showing CEO. It is sharing to CEO. Got it? That means by sharing rule, not only new records, old records also will get shared to that particular profile. No, sorry,
Yeah.
that particular designated people, not
Yes.
profile, designated users, designated. Uh,
Role.
yes, based on the rule.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we discussed here. With old and new records, all will be shared. And issue with the sharing rule is we cannot sharing with single person. Got it? If you want to,
Yes.
if you want to share to single person, what we have to do?
Manual sharing.
Yes, exactly. We'll do it by manual sharing.
Yeah.
Got it? And
Yes.
with sharing rule, can we share records with a profile?
Profile not possible. We
Yes,
can share
to
with
profiles
role.
it's not possible. We can share it only
Hmm.
to role and public group. Okay.
Okay.
And now manual sharing we already discussed.
Yeah.
Why to use manual sharing?
If we
I'll
want to share some
Okay, that's what.
person, one.
Only one person, etc. For such scenarios we can use. And this is very simple answer. And I'll share entire this text to you through mail.
Okay, and the previous one too, sir.
Previous one.
I don't know why I'm not able to find.
Okay, okay. Just remind me after completion of this class.
Yeah.
I'll share to
Yeah.
you. Okay, how you can make manual sharing by clicking sharing button every record's detail page. And it
And
will
this is
be
only possible in Classic, not in Lightning.
yes. And there is a real-time scenario. Client is saying that I'm not able to see sharing button. Then what could
Because
be the
maybe
reason?
they are seeing in Lightning, not in Classic.
Exactly. And one more reason.
One more reason, I don't know.
Okay. So as per sharing rule, CEO will be getting the record, right? If you are a CEO, you'll be getting the record.
Yes.
Will you get sharing
Oh,
button?
no.
Because you are not the user. You are not
Yes,
the
right.
owner.
Good. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And one more thing, page layout. That concept, future topic we'll discuss. One more thing, OWD. In OWD, it is already there, public read, right? Sorry, private. He won't be getting it, right? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So these are all the information about sharing settings and security modules. And now we are going to entering into last version of security module. That is field level access.
Field. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Field level access. Okay. What is mean by field in Salesforce?
Field means one, what do you call, one field,
Yeah.
one,
Okay. Field where we can store the data.
yeah.
Right. Okay. So field level security, for example, same. So here there is a object called as employee object, and in that all employees information will be shared. And HR team don't want to show the salary field to the finance team. Got it?
Yeah.
That time what we can do?
So hide that field,
Yeah, we
something
can
like
hide
that.
it. Generally, field level security we can give the field level security at the time of creation of field itself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but we have different ways to create a field level security. We can create by profile, we can create by field accessibility, and we can create by ODP, means object definition page.
Okay.
Okay, so by profile, how can we create?
Go to the profile and,
Because whenever we created the profile, we
hmm,
used to add roles and responsibilities, right?
yeah.
So those responsibilities we can remove the field level access.
Yeah.
I'll show it to you now. And field accessibility and ODP. We can see these three now. Okay. Okay, by profile, okay, object definition page in the sense of what it is. So click on setup. This is object definition page. So here,
Object manager means.
yes, here you can take any profile, like which object will take it. Okay, employees list will take it. In this, how many profiles are there? How many fields are there? Expected salary do we have? Yes, salary we have. So just click on it and edit. If you click on it, see here, set field level security. So just click on it, and here you can see all profiles will be getting it. So which profile it has to be visible, which for which profile it has to be read only, we can decide here itself. Same page will be getting it, while creation of field also will be getting it. In case if you want to remove this particular field to the finance team, we can remove it. Where it is
సార్
finance
1
team.
మినిట్ తను ఎగ్జిట్ అయినట్టుంది.
Okay, 1 minute, Jana. Let me check.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
My mobile network, so I might face issue.
Okay, okay, no issues. We have small concept this one.
Yeah, yeah.
So are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, I can see.
So give me a minute. I'll come back again. So object definition page in the sense, just log into Lightning, and here just click
Object
on
manager.
setup, and go to object manager. So here you can select a particular object. So employees list, just click on it and go to fields and relationships. Here click on that particular object, salary. If you click on it, then you'll be getting this page. So here you can
Hmm.
see set field level security option.
Yeah.
So just click on it, then you'll be getting this page. Okay,
Mhm.
so here you can find all the profiles. So here itself you can decide for which profile you can have this particular field. That means you are not removing the access of that particular object. Object access will be there. Only field level
Yeah, but
access.
that's cannot see. Yeah,
Oh,
got it.
okay. For only field level access, you are giving the you are deciding here. So here
Hmm.
for finance team, do we have any finance team here? Finance team.
Finance team, I can see that.
Yes, here. So for finance team, I have removed this and I saved. That's it. So whenever finance team has logged in, if they want to see this salary field, they won't be available. It won't be available. Okay.
Okay.
So now object level you got it, and field level availability. So coming to profile level, how can we change profile level? We'll see that one also. So just click on profile here, and just click on that particular profile, and here you can decide. See, just click on edit, then standard tabs. Okay. See here, field level security will be there in profiles itself. Here you can find that particular object. employees list. Just click on view, then you'll be getting this page. So here, if you click on edit, you'll be getting this page. So here you can find a few different texts. One is in blue mark, one is in black mark. If you want to remove salary, then you can remove here and you can save it. And
The black mark means mandatory, right?
that's what my next question is, that one only. So what is the difference between that black mark and the blue mark?
So black, blue mark we can change, give access or remove,
Oh no.
but black mark we cannot change.
No, that is correct. Your answer is correct, but you're near to your answer. That is not exact answer, because those are standard record. Sorry, standard fields.
Standard records.
See,
Yes.
black mark. This one created by, and next one
Yeah.
employee ID, and next one
Yeah.
list name, and last modified date, owner. So those things can't be
Yes.
changed, right?
Yeah.
So this is how you can change by profile level.
Hmm.
Got it? And
Yes.
field level accessibility, and just give directly field level accessibility. Yes, click on field accessibility. Once you click on field accessibility, you will be getting this many list. So in this, which on which object you want to hide the particular field, just select the object. Where is the employees object here? Okay, just click on it. Once you click on object, then you will be getting one page. Here it will ask you view by fields or view by profiles. First go with view by fields. Then it will ask you which field you want to show it, you want to hide. So just click on salary field, and here you can give the access of all the profiles. So which profile it should be editable, which profile it should be hide. See here, for finance team it is already hidden. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. And now I'm saving this. If it is view by profiles, again a profile level, how it will come, it will shows here. Just select any particular profile, finance team, same thing will be visible. So here you can see, for finance team, address proof hidden, country name editable, eligible for promotion editable. So all those things, see salary hidden. This is how you can see for profile level. Okay.
Yeah.
So field level can be made only on profile level and permission set level as well. So we can do it by profile level and permission level both. So this is a navigation bar, search bar, field accessibility, and we can select the object. So based on that, we can change it. So here there is a small questionnaire. If I want to hide salary field for HR department only for record number 8, is that possible?
If I want to hide a salary field for HR department,
Yes.
only
We
for record
we are
number
not
8.
hiding the field. If you hide the field for all the records, it will be the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
But they're asking to hide only for one record. Is that possible?
I don't think so. That's possible.
Okay, let me show you. Employee list. Okay, all fields. So in this 0070, for this record, I want to share one. I want to hide one field.
salary.
Is this possible now? It won't be.
No, it won't be possible.
Okay. And there is another questionnaire. There are 10 employees in finance team, including Ram. Business wants everyone must be able to see the field called discount and accept Ram because he's a contractor. Is this possible now? Okay,
Suppose there
okay. Let
are.
me give you same question in a different manner. See, I'm the contractor, and I'm the contractor,
Mhm.
and I have 10 people, and all
Mhm.
including my name, all 10, including my name, 10 people names are saved in one particular object.
Hmm.
Okay, so in that object, whenever I have logged in, that discount option is not showing to me. For remaining people, it's showing. How it will be?
Mhm.
So you can think about all these possibilities. So in this entire three modules, which one will be possible to satisfy this scenario?
Permission set.
50% of your answer is perfect.
Okay. No, I don't know.
Okay.
Sorry.
So first we'll have one profile and we'll add all the people into one profile. And in that
Mhm.
we will not give the access of discount column to the RAM and remaining people will be having the discount column. We can do it by
Mhm.
permission set.
Okay.
Got it?
No, can you repeat this again
Okay,
now?
okay. So we'll create one profile first.
Hmm.
Okay. In that profile, we'll add all the people including RAM.
Okay.
Okay. And now, though they are into same profile, Ram will should not be see that particular field. So what we can do it is we can create permission set and we can add all the people into that permission set except Ram.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the different ways we can share the data in Salesforce?
What is the different ways
Ways
we
to we
can
can share the
share?
data in Salesforce.
Tell me how
We
sharing.
are not asking data or object or field or record. We are not asking anything. We are just asking what are the modules of sharing the data. Object level
Sharing
sharing, record level sharing, field level sharing.
and field level sharing, yeah.
So while coming to object level sharing, what are the things will come?
Object level OWD,
Perfect.
uh, record, and record level,
So this is the answer.
yeah, prefab, yeah,
For object level, these three. Record level, these
yeah,
three. Field level, only this.
only this, yeah,
Got it?
yes.
Okay. So today we are going to complete security module. So
No.
without code, we can share the data by object level, record level, and field level. With code, it's a different topic: Apex sharing and with sharing and without sharing. This is our future topics. This will be
Okay,
comes in development mode, not in
okay,
object, not in admin.
admin part, okay.
Okay, and now we have one more important topic: public group versus queue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so public group, I gave one example to you. What is mean by public group? To explain this, I already gave one example to you. Did you remember? Okay, just think you are a student. In your class, there are 60 people. Okay, out of 60 people, you want to invite only 10 selective people for your birthday party.
Yeah, it's a collection of group or you know.
Exactly. So this is one example, and one more thing. If you want to send that invitation to only that selective people at the same time, what you can do it? You can create one group in WhatsApp,
Create a group. Yeah.
and you can add those numbers into that group. So if you paste any information in that group, all people will be received, right?
Yes.
Same kind of method will be applicable in public groups, but
Okay.
some similarities will be there, but content will be the same.
Okay.
And queue, this is also related to public group only, but there are
Mhm.
similar there are some differences between public group and queue. We'll discuss in next class that one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So till here, uh, you understood, right? Object level, sharing level,
Yes.
sorry, record level,
Yes.
field level. And my
Yes.
request is start doing the practicing on all these
Yeah.
things. Then only,
Yes.
then only you'll be getting more questionnaire again. So
Yeah.
by reading interview questions are different, and by doing practice, you are giving the answer to the interview is different.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
Yep.
So any doubts as of now, Brianshi?
No, not
Okay.
now. Maybe
So
I'll practice more and then
I'm
I'll.
really sorry. Yesterday, video recording has corrupted. So today record I'll share to you. And Chana, any doubts,
Okay.
Chana? Chana, any doubts?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Yeah.
We
Okay, Chana.
already clocked it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Can we wind up for the day?
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye
Yeah. Okay.
bye.
Bye, bye.